Hi, how are you? Hi, I'm fine. Where are you going? I'm fine. I'm going nowhere. I came here to make some shopping.
Nowadays, people make money from YouTube or other social platforms by making moral cartoon stories by their handphone. You can also make this moral cartoon story whether made by me through my handphone. You can also make the same stories. How to do it? Let's dig to find it. First of all, go to the Play Store and search Plotagon Story. Just install it. Upon install it, open the applications and allow the permission. Here is the interface of this application. Just click on Create Video, and here you can see button with the scene. Click on the scene and select any scene. I select street corner scene to put the background of the video. And then the option will pop up with no actor. Click on the no actor, and here you can see some character is white and some character is for free. You can use some character for free, and you can create your own custom characters. Just click on create character. Here you can select male or female characters as you want it. And here is some option for the facial shape, hair, mustache, eyes, everything to make a character complete. And you can make all the custom characters you want it. Put the hair color and hairstyles, and then put the mustache color and mustache style, and then select the eye color, eyelid color and eyelid shape, and then select the character clothes. Here is some mistakes for division. Select sunglass for the character, and then select the costumes for the character. And here is lots of customs that comes with free. You can use it, or you can buy some. After your channel grow, you can buy some character and clothes and everything. Here is some option to choose the shoes color and shapes. And here is the character name, which one name you want to put the character name. You can put custom names of the character. Here is another option, top right corner, electric icon. Click on it and you can put the expression of the character. Which expression you want to put the character you want. There is a lot of expression of the character here, guitar beating chest, blue kiss, blue steel, after will anything. After that, just click on the arrow on the character will automatically save. And then another time click on another time the create character. And then now you will make an female character. For the scene, you will choose female. Click on the female option and then choose the sub shape, and then choose the hair shape, and then choose the eyelid shape, and then go out. And then here you can see the two character, and there is one character, Christopher. We made it earlier. It is selected automatically, and then there is another signal option pop up with no actor. Click on it and click on character. And then now we need to put voice on this. Click on no actor and choose the character, which character you want to put the voice over. Choose Nadine, and you can put facial expression with any nature, proud, rage, evil, sad, screaming, anything. And then click on the voice icon and then record some word that you want to put on the female character. And then in another time you click on no actor, then click Christopher and put the voice over, and click on the mic icon and put the voice over, which voice you want to put on it. And then just export the video and click on the export icon and then save the video. It will take some time. Just click on save the video, export with subtitles or export it without subtitles. You can choose whatever you want. I choose export without subtitles, and then it will take some time to render it. After rendering finish, click on done. It will automatically save the video for you. And you can rename the video, and you can get the video on your phone.
Hi, how are you? Hi, I'm fine. Where are you going? I'm fine. I'm going nowhere. I came here to make some shopping.
What is to you want to put? You don't have to worry about it. Just go to the chat GPT and search there the moral story for the cartoons, or the lake story or conversation of the grocery, conversation story, teacher and students, anything you want. You can produce any story from the chat GPT. Thank you.
Hi, how are you? Hi, I'm fine. Where are you going? I'm fine. I'm going nowhere. I came here to make some shopping.